Cinderella and the Enchanted Holiday Star. Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom, there lived a young woman named Cinderella. She was kind, gentle, and always ready to lend a helping hand. As the grand holiday ball approached, Cinderella was filled with excitement and anticipation. On the day of the ball, Cinderella was busy preparing for the festivities. She carefully selected her most beautiful gown, a shimmering blue dress that seemed to sparkle in the sunlight. As she was getting ready, she noticed something peculiar. The jeweled star atop the grand holiday tree was glowing faintly. Cinderella knew that the star was a symbol of the castle's protective magic, and its faint glow worried her. She quickly summoned her mouse friends, Jaq and Gus, to investigate. The little mice scurried around the tree, examining the star closely. "Oh no, Cinderella," Jaq squeaked. "The magic is fading. We must do something." Cinderella's heart raced as she realized that the castle's safety was in jeopardy. Just then, a mysterious figure cloaked in shadow appeared in the corner of the room. The figure whispered, "A curse has been cast, and the castle's magic is weakening. Only you can break it, Cinderella." Cinderella was taken aback by the stranger's words, but she knew she had to act quickly. As the guests began to arrive for the ball, Cinderella noticed that the decorations were starting to dim, and an icy wind swept through the ballroom. Determined to save the castle, Cinderella and her mouse friends set out to uncover the hidden charm beneath the tree. They searched high and low, moving furniture and examining every nook and cranny. Finally, Jaq and Gus discovered a small glowing amulet hidden beneath the tree's roots. "This is it, Cinderella!" Gus squeaked excitedly. "The power of the amulet is tied to the castle's safety." Cinderella carefully picked up the amulet, feeling its warmth in her hands. She knew that she had to confront the shadowed figure and break the curse. As the ball continued, Cinderella approached the mysterious guest, who was standing in the corner of the ballroom. "Please," she said, "I know you have cast a curse on the castle, but I believe that with kindness and understanding, we can break it together." The shadowed figure hesitated, then slowly lowered its hood, revealing the face of an old, weary sorcerer. "I have been consumed by bitterness and resentment for so long," he said. "I cast this curse in a moment of anger, but now I see the error of my ways." Cinderella reached out her hand, offering the amulet to the sorcerer. "Please, take this and use its power to restore the castle's magic. Together we can break the curse and bring back the light." The sorcerer looked at Cinderella with wonder and gratitude. He took the amulet and held it close to his heart, feeling the warmth of its power. Suddenly, the ballroom began to glow, and the decorations came back to life. The icy wind subsided, and the jeweled star on the tree shone brightly once more. The guests cheered and danced, marveling at the restored beauty of the castle. Cinderella and the sorcerer stood side by side, their differences forgotten, united in their shared desire to protect the kingdom. From that day on, the castle's magic remained strong, and Cinderella continued to use her kindness and understanding to bring people together and solve problems. She became known throughout the land as a true hero, a shining example of the power of compassion and the importance of working together to overcome even the greatest of challenges. And as for the mysterious sorcerer, he became a trusted advisor to the kingdom, using his magic to help keep the castle and its people safe. Together, they ensured that the grand holiday ball would be a joyous celebration for many years to come.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.